Hello everyone, welcome to Weekids channel. Panchatantra Tales. The Farmer and His Old Horse. Once there was a farmer. His horse had grown old, so he had asked him to leave. The horse said, "Master, let me stay." The farmer said, "I will, but only if you bring me a lion's skin." The horse went deep into the jungle. There he met a fox who offered to help him. The fox said, "Lie down near the lion's den and play dead." Then the fox told the lion, "There's a dead horse outside your den. Have a look." The lion went to see the horse. The fox said, "I will tie your tail to the horse tail. Then you can drag it into the den." But the fox tied the horse tail with the lion's leg. The horse sprinted away. On the way, the lion was slammed against rocks and he died. The horse reached the farmer's house with the lion. The farmer welcomed the horse home. The Mice and the Elephants. Once there lived a colony of mice in a ruined village. Daily, a herd of elephants would visit the lake in the village. On their way, the elephants would crush hundreds of mice under their feet. King Mouse met King Elephant and said, "Sir, kindly change your path. Every time your herd crosses the village, many mice are killed." King Elephant agreed. King Mouse said, "If you ever need our help, call us." The elephants took a different route to the lake from the next day. One day, a group of poachers trapped many elephants in their nets. King Elephant requested King Mouse to help him. King Mouse and his subjects set out into the forest to rescue the elephants, who were trapped in huge nets. The mice nibbled at the nets and freed the elephants. The elephants were grateful to the mice for their help and they became friends. The Four Brahmins. There were four Brahmin friends. After finishing their education in the Gurukul, they were ready to go back to home. On their way, they had to pass through a forest. After walking a distance, they saw a pile of bones on the ground. They wanted to test their knowledge. The first Brahmin chanted a mantra and the bones turned into a huge skeleton. The second Brahmin chanted a mantra and the skeleton turned into a lion. The third Brahmin said, "This lion is lifeless. I will breathe life into it." The fourth Brahmin said, "Dear friend, the lion will kill us." The third Brahmin laughed. "How can it kill us? We are the lion makers." The fourth Brahmin was sad that his friends had no common sense. He climbed up a tree. The third Brahmin breathed life into the lion. The lion roared. He pounced upon the three Brahmins and killed them all. Hope you all loved this story, and in coming videos we will come up with more and more stories you can enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos, and do not forget to tap on the bell icon to receive the updated videos of our channel. Thank you. Bye. And let's meet with another exciting story. Bye.